Hey everybody. Today is Saturday, and that's normally one of my days where I can be, dedicated all the way to designing everything all day. But I'm only getting started now, and it's like 3 o'clock. My youngest daughter's been sick for a couple days now and keeping us up at night. And today we checked her temperature again, and it was at 104, which is bad for those of you that don't know. And so we took her to the doctor and went through the whole thing and tried to figure out what was wrong with her. And well, it turns out she has COVID, which I guess is good because it's not, an infection of an organ or something. My wife and I got COVID tests, and we both tested negative, though I'm still feeling kind of sick and crappy right now. That was good timing. I've been blaming this on allergies, but I think at this point I just have to accept that I have a cold. So I'm not exactly high energy at the moment, but I'm going to see if I can get at least a little bit of work done. Okay, prototype of the month club stuff is ready to go out, with exception of those two. One of which is for my dad, another one is for somebody else who I need to send something special. It's a long story. I was one lanyard short because I miscounted the number of Patreons, so I need to make one more lanyard, or my wife needs to make one more lanyard before I can send the one to my dad. But these are all ready to go in our mailbox. I am tired and exhausted, and I'm just not making any progress out here. I'm going to call it a day for today, go home, go to bed early, and hope that tomorrow works out better.